Hey everybody, so a lot of times I show you what's on the outside of the bottle, but today I want to show you what's inside of our Rosemary shampoo, what it looks like and why it's so amazing. This is more of a clarifying shampoo. It's great for the scalp. There's apple cider vinegar in it and rosemary, both great ingredients for balancing the pH of the scalp and increasing hair growth. So I'm going to open this one here. And I'm trying to do it with one hand, so I apologize. You just twist up the cap like this, and this is what it looks like. It is so beautiful. And you can see there's also organic nettles in this, so you can see the pieces of organic nettles in there and the color of the rosemary. And it's just the consistency of it is really great too when you use it. It does have lots of lather for a sulfate-free shampoo. So this is what it looks like when you pour it out into your hand, and it's just such a beautiful color. So I just wanted to share that with you guys today. And then right now I can smell the rosemary in it, and it's just an amazing, fresh, clean, and really invigorating scent when you use it. So that's our rosemary shampoo, and I just wanted to show you what's inside the bottle.